So I'm going to show you how to use live wallpapers on the lock screen of your iPhone Air. So to do this, get yourself a nice live animated image and you can use that as a live wallpaper. So I'm going to go into my gallery and then go to collections and then go to live photos, and I can find a proper live photo from one of these. So let me look and find a live photo that I want. So maybe I want this one, and if I long press on it, you can see it's a live photo. Now I'm gonna try and get a better one like this one. So you can tell this is a live photo because when I touch and hold, it moves. Okay, and this one as well. And you can tell it's a live photo because it's gonna have this option here. Anyway, so tap on the share button and then go to use as wallpaper. So that's going to be set up as a brand new wallpaper for your lock screen. But if you want to add the live effect to that wallpaper, then you need to just allow it to kind of get its live effect. And then for any live photo, you're going to have this option here. So you can tap on that, and then now you can see it's now being animated like that. So if you use that as your lock screen wallpaper, then you'll have a live lock screen wallpaper. So anytime you look at the lock screen, it's gonna get animated like that. So that's how to use live photo as your lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching and good luck.